What are your plans for the future?
Plan to study at university and become a doctor.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher.
What do you want to do for a living?
I want to work as a teacher.
What is your ideal job?
My ideal job is a teacher. What is your job?
I am a student.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Do you leave your job or do you like your job?
No, I don't like it.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9
Bye bye.